guys, welcome to my Kashmir vlog, sharing all the details of my 6-day trip. We took an early morning flight from Mumbai to Srinagar.
Wanted to come here and tell you about the COVID test. We landed in Srinagar airport. They did a rapid test for us, and they just see if it's a negative or a positive at that moment. Hi guys!
We are staying at Hotel Hiwan in Pahalgam for the next 2 days. The hotel is at a very secluded area, so make sure if you're planning to stay in this hotel, you take the package with meals. And look at our room. This is going to be our room for the next 2 days. Finally having some meal because we haven't had anything since morning, and look at the food.
Hey guys, just landed in Srinagar this morning and we have reached Pahalgam. It's just a 3 hours drive. Look at the view. Oh my god. It isn't snowing today, but it snowed I think 5 days back, and it's so cold. Like, I am wearing every single layer I could. We are just walking in the roads of Pahalgam. It's really slippery, so guys, if you come, you'll have to wear proper boots.
And look who decides to come and meet us at the window. Look at him peeping inside the room. It's day 2. We are having our breakfast and leaving for Baisaran. You can go here only by horses. In Pahalgam, everything is very expensive. They have government charges board across the place, so do follow that and don't get cheated. We paid 1300 after endless bargaining, and the actual cost was 1750 per person. We also rented booths at rupees 100 per person. Make sure you wear comfortable clothes and take less stuff with you, as the horse ride is quite an uphill and on the rough roads.
कुछ नहीं लो लो पकड़ के मैं आगे गया ना, ये बोलते आगे क्यों गया?
सॉरी
पकड़ो।
आपको खराब लगा? Guys, we are in snow. Look at the snow. Oh shit, my legs go inside, right? You see this? Ah! Isn't this amazing? Look at this place.
After a long hour of ride on the horse, you reach Baisaran Garden, and it's beautifully cladded with snow. You can take a sledge ride, or take pictures with a furry rabbit, or wear the Kashmiri clothes and take pictures. We planned to skip it all and enjoyed ourselves thoroughly in snow.
I'm trying to follow those footsteps so that I don't go deep inside, and I'm like scared.
In the evening, we planned to skip all the market and just walk around Pahalgam and enjoy the beauty, because it was our last day. Day 3, and we are off to Gulmarg. It's a nice and bright sunny day, and the view towards going to Gulmarg from Pahalgam is absolutely beautiful. It's a 3-hour long drive. We stopped by this place which is called a Naan Bhai. Basically, these are few locals who make naans, rotis and everything and sell them. Mostly locals in Kashmir don't make their rotis and breads at home. They always buy it from here, and you must try them. as we know, Kashmir is full of military. So here's a glimpse of whenever you're traveling on the highways and if there is a military group passing by, your cars are always stopped on the other side, and on the side where the military group is going, there are no cars front of them, at least 2-3 kilometers, and behind them. And then once the group gets over, they let you go. Make sure that you leave a little early, after which we visited this bat factory, and these are how the bats have been kept for drying. They are always kept for at least a year to dry in here, the woods, and then sent to Jalandhar for making a proper perfect bat. This is the most beautiful view I've ever seen in my life. The road is from Tanmarg to Gulmarg, which is almost a 12-kilometer drive, but it is beautiful, snow cladded, and you're going to feel like you're completely into a different world. So make sure you keep your phones aside and enjoy this beauty. We stayed in the Vintage Hotel in Gulmarg. It is one of the finest properties, of course, after Khyber. But unfortunately, we could not get rooms there, so we stayed here and we absolutely loved this property. It's day 4 and we are off to explore Gulmarg. Gulmarg is extremely expensive and you may end up spending a lot of money here. So plan everything wisely. Gulmarg is famous for its gondola ride and the activities on top of the mountain. The mountain is divided into 2 phases. We are visiting phase 1, which is costing us 700 rupees to and fro.
So guys, here we are in Gulmarg. We got down at phase 1 and there is a phase 2 as well. That's right on the top of the mountain. Through the gondola you can go there. But that is mainly for people who like to ski and in the summertime when there is less snow. But right now there is, sorry, I'm falling off, enough snow. So we can just get down here and there are different things that you can do. There is ski, there is snow bikes, there is you can go down by the cycle, which we're going to try, and I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So yeah,
We plan to do the snow bike. The snow bike rate is divided into 4 levels: K1, K2, K3 and K4 depending on the distance. Again, it was extremely expensive. They started with 2,500, after which we bargained for a good 20 minutes, and then finally they decided to do it at 1,500 till level 3.
loving it. Look at this beautiful place. And look at this cutie having some fun. And that's our ride. Chidan, do you want to say something to people about Gulmarg?
No, Gulmarg is heaven.
So to come. This is at phase 1 in Gulmarg. And here's my little baby trying to take some pictures, and don't fall. This is brake.
दिस इज एक्सीलेटर एंड जब आपको रुकना हो तो इसको छोड़ देना है, ठीक है.
Of course, the main motto of spending that much was because they said that if you go to level K3 you get to ride it, and that was super exciting. And guys, literally I fell one more time. We planned to go down by the snow cycle. I was super scared, hence I kept a driver. My friend skipped the driver. The cycle costed us 1,200 rupees per person after bargaining. The cycle comes with absolute no safety guards, and I would plead everyone not to try it. While coming down the way, I happened to slip and hurt my rib. It was very painful. I took some painkillers and rested for an hour, and I was still in pain. After resting for a while, in the evening we went for our ATV ride, which would cover 7 points of Gulmarg. After bargaining, which we confirmed at 2000 rupees per person. You can also ride the ATV yourself, which is super fun. It was time to say goodbye to Gulmarg and move to our next destination, Srinagar. And I'm going to miss this place. It's literally heaven on earth.
Life update. In Gulmarg yesterday, you go up through the gondola at phase 1 and you always come down from the gondola. But recently they have also started this thing where you can either take a sledge or a cycle and get down. And I was getting around the 7 kilometers through the cycle and I had a fall, a really bad fall, and I have like hurt my mid ab and it's so painful that yesterday I was almost like bedridden. I'm trying to be strong today. I'm sure there's no break there, but it hurts. So guys, if you're a pro and you want to do it, then good. Otherwise, don't even try. It's extremely risky.
We enjoyed an hour of Shikara ride in the Dal Lake and also did some
ये
shopping.
देखकर आपको फिर याद आएगी और फिर वापस आएगी नहीं थैंक यू अच्छा ये जल्दी वापस
This is the Dal Lake and the ice is completely frozen on the top, and we did the Shikara on the other side where the ice is now a little bit broken. And at the Mughal Chashmashahi garden, and look at this. We were supposed to have the water there, but I think it's frozen. So we'll go up. So this is the frozen part and the garden. And I think we should try the water from there. And let's see if we get the water there. Because apparently you should have this water. It has a lot of jadi booties is what our driver has told us. So yes, we finally found it. There is a spring here. So I think when it overflows, it passes through this. But right now it's completely ice. We are at the cane shop and he's making some cane products. And look at the products they make here. Aren't they amazing? They make these baskets, these big ones, handle ones, and so many more. You see this? Oh, it's our last day in Srinagar today, and we just have 3 hours before we have a flight. But because of the pain I mentioned yesterday, like I injured my this part. It's been giving me a lot of pain, so I am resting and let the others go out. But can't wait to share the vlog with you guys and hope you like it. In case you like it, please like, subscribe and share.